Good morning, students. This video is for class 10 economics. In this video, we will start our first chapter, development. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the meaning of development, what are the features of development, what is public facilities, what is the criteria used by World Bank to determine development of different nation, what is UNDP, what are the criteria used by UNDP for measuring development of different nation, and at last we will learn about sustainable development. These things we are going to learn in chapter 1, development. So let us first understand the meaning of development. Development is a comprehensive term which refers to increase in real per capita income, improvement in health and education facilities, improvement in living standard of the people, and public facilities being provided to people. Development is a wider term which includes various aspects related to human life. When there is increase in average income, when people will have more education and healthcare facilities, when people have better living standard, when we have more public facilities, then this is called development of our country. Next we will learn about features of development. First feature of development is different people have different development goals. People belong from different life situations. People are from different social and economic backgrounds. Therefore, the meaning of development will also change from person to person. For example, there is a village. In that village, if we ask from a farmer what is development as per him, then we may get the answer when farmers will have irrigation facilities, when farmers will have fertilizers and pesticides, then this is development as per the farmer. And if we talk to a educated youth from the same village about development, we may get different answer from an educated youth. Maybe as per educated youth, when he will have a good job opportunity, then this is development. So here both farmer and educated youth belong from same village, but just because they are in different life situation, the meaning of development for them are different. The next feature of development is, for development people look for mixed goal. For development we need all the things which are related to human life. For development, all aspects of human life are important. Development cannot be done only with the help of income. Education or health care facilities cannot be only a criteria to determine development of a place or a country. For development, we require income also. For development, we require education and health care facilities also. For development, we need peaceful environment. For development, we need discrimination-free environment. Therefore, for development, people look for mixed goal. For development, people look for good income, education facilities, healthcare facilities, respect, peace, equal opportunities, equal rights, etc. Third feature of development is income can be major component of development. With more income, we can arrange more facilities for ourselves. More income means more education facilities, more healthcare facilities. Therefore, we can say that income can be the major component of development. Fourth and last feature of development is sometimes development will create conflict between two groups or two person. As we studied earlier, different people have different meaning of development. Why? Because they belong from different life situation. Therefore, sometimes it will create conflict between two groups or two person. For example, in a village, industrialists want a dam so that there will be more production of electricity. And for construction of dam, government is taking land area of tribal people. Now this is creating conflict between industrialist and tribal people. Here two groups are having different ideas, different meaning of development. Therefore, it is creating conflict. So that's it for today's video. Next things we will learn in our next video. Thank you.